Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and environment. This is the only way to avoid damage. First, confirm the LED spot light rating, 12V or 24V, and select the correct driver. Once done, cut power at the source and test with a multimeter to ensure 0 volts. Make sure to wear gloves and secure the mounting area. This prevents fingerprints and heat blocking. Now position the bracket where the beam will fall, and loosely attach screws so you can fine-tune aim before final tightening. You wire the spotlight with intention because correct polarity and secure connections are critical. Start by connecting positive and negative leads to the driver. Double-check polarity. Once connected, tidy cables into short runs and protect joints with heat shrink or silicone to prevent corrosion. Then, power briefly to set aim. Adjust tilt and pan until the hotspot sits where you want it. Measure lux or visually confirm uniformity. Once satisfied, torque mounting screws to spec and recheck the beam for drift. You finish by securing everything and validating performance. This completes the only way workflow. Tighten all fasteners, clean the lens, and run the light for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure thermal stability. If you see flicker, immediately cut power and test the driver output and cable continuity with a multimeter. Loose connections or failing drivers cause blinking. If output is dim, confirm driver wattage, check for voltage drop over long runs, and swap a known good driver to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.